Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is build an assortment of tiles that represent the first integer. So the first integer is positive 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then how to subtract. So I'm going to take away a positive 5, or I'm going to add a negative 5. So there's two ways I could draw it on my paper. I could either add a negative 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right here I would create a 0. So my answer would be positive 2. Or I could have the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I could take away a positive 5. So I could take away positive 5. I'm still left with 2. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. For B, I have 0 minus 4. So what I could do for B is I could build a 0 like this. So you see that's a 0 because all of those positives and negatives cancel each other out. And then if I take away positive 4, I'm left with negative 4. So 0 minus 4 is equal to negative 4. C, if I have negatives, I should be doing my negatives in red, sorry, don't want to mess yet. Well, I don't know how to do that. Well, for this I'll just write, but for here, okay, for C, I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negative, and 2 negative. So 6 and 2 negative is 8 negative. So negative 6 minus 2 is equal to negative 8. You could also do 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I could create 2 zeros. If I take away 2 positives, I still get negative 8. Okay, so D is where it gets tough, right? So D, we have positive 3, and then we're going to take away negative 4. So let's draw that. So we have positive 3, and we need to take away negative 4, and there's not 4 to take away. So I'm going to make 4 zeros. And then if I take away negative 4, you can see it's the same as adding 4. So taking away negative is the same as adding, so that becomes 7. E, we have negative 8, and we want to take away negative 5. So we have negative 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, now we have negative 5 to take away. So I can take away this negative 5, and I'm left with negative 3. And finally for F, I have negative 1 minus negative 9. So I have negative 1, and I want to take away 9. Well, I don't have 9 to take away, but I can add 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So those are zeros. And then if I take away the negative 9, take away all of these, I'm left with positive 8.